guys, today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of two Target beauty boxes. The first one is the Mother's Day Target beauty box, and at the same time they were offering this other beauty box by Sonia Kashuk. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up first. Yeah, I know it's a little bit late, but I just got my beauty box. This is the Mother's Day edition. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing it says is Hello Indulgence. Usually there's a coupon in the back, but there's none this time. Oh, now they have it where you scan it and it puts it into your wallet on your phone. So I believe it's probably the same as the $3 or $15 off of any beauty products. $15 worth of beauty products, you get $3 off. Okay, so it's wrapped up in this nice pink wrapping. Let's do a quick peek. Ooh, a lot of it is upside down, but focus. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. The first thing is Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo, and this is by OGX. I like this brand. The shampoo is the shampoo I used to use a long time ago. This is the only brand I used to use until I switched to Pantene. Now Pantene is my ride or die, but this brand is really good, and this is a dry shampoo. Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. Indulge in this island secret infused with coconut oil, essence of tiare, and vanilla bean extract. It helps to absorb oil, restore and revive hair for silky soft island girl hair. And this is a pretty big sample. It's 1.75 ounces. So this is a big sample. I wonder if it smells like coconut. Let me try it. Oh, I can open it. Let me just put it on my hand. Oh, it smells like coconut. It's yummy. It smells really good. So that's the first one. Okay, on to the next. Ooh, Soap and Glory Scrub of Your Life. The ultimate soapy, super smoothing body butter. Wow, so this actually lathers up. Let's see if there's a smell to it. I don't like when I open stuff and there's no safety seal on it. This one doesn't have a safety seal. It smells like normal soap. Okay, so this is a body butter, but it's usually it doesn't lather up. This one says it does. So I'm thinking it's just like a body wash. I'll try that. Next one is La Roche-Posay Extra Dry Skin Lipicare AP Plus Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Guarantee you can't see that. It just says apply morning and evening to clean skin, fast absorbing texture, non-greasy and non-sticky finish, appropriate for babies, children, and adults. Oh, see if there's a smell. This just smells like regular lotion. I've never heard of this brand, La Roche-Posay. It sounds French. Ooh, and then we have some Squishy Spirals No Damage. These are good, I think, for if you have thinner hair, but I've used these before, and because my hair is super thick, it doesn't really hold my hair my hair keeps falling. Like when I exercise and stuff, it just doesn't hold it tight enough. So I'll probably give this away. But these are really good if you have thinner hair. And next we have Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 55. Lightweight, clean feel, fast absorbing, water resistant. Probably give this away. This is good if you a sun bunny, which I'm not. And St. Ives Cleansing Stick. Cactus, water, and hibiscus. Instantly hydrates and softens skin as you cleanse. Never seen this before. What is it? We are cactus, water, and hibiscus. Desert dwelling cacti and hibiscus know a thing or two about hydration, and both are known to help soften skin. Oh. Wait. Oh, this is for your face. It says, because on the instructions it says wet face. This is big. It looks like an underarm deodorant. And this is 1.59 ounce. Twist it up. Is this a cap? Oh yeah. Looks like that. Oh, I forget the name of the brand. There's one. It's in a purple container. Can't think of it, but it's a cleansing balm too, and it looks like this, but it's in a purple. Is it not Too Faced? Oh, I forget the brand, but I think they're trying to mimic that. You put it on your face and then you cleanse it. It's like a balm. It's a face wash in the balm. But yeah, I'm gonna try this, and it's a really big sample. That's big. Okay, sorry about the wind. I have my fan on because it's so hot. My hair's blowing all over my face. And the last one is Free and Lovely by Bodycology. Lavender and Amber Refreshing Mist with essential oils. Like that. Oh, it's so small. I can barely read it. But it's a refreshing mist. I don't know if it's just for your face or if it's for oh, it's just for your body. So I'm thinking it's just like a perfume mist. Well, it smells good. It says lavender and amber. I smell the amber, but I don't really smell the lavender. But Free and Lovely by Bodycology. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So yeah, that's actually, I think it's one more than usual. And the sample sizes are really big in this box, and this one was $7, which is just for the shipping. Okay, so let's get on to the Sonia Kashuk box. So it looks like that. Let's open this up. Hello must-haves. Hello makeup must-haves. And this one has just the regular, the $3 off, $15 or more. And of course this one expires on June 3rd. So I have to use this one quickly. Let's open it up really quick so you can see. Ooh. Okay, so the first things I see here, and I got this in What box did I? It was a Target box, another Target beauty box. I did the last video I did, not the last one, but the previous two. I opened 3 boxes, beauty boxes that they have in store, and this was one of them. And this is a quick and dry makeup brush wipe. I haven't used the other one yet. I haven't tried it. So, but my only concern was, does this keep your brush wet? Because this is supposed to be so that you can use your brush, like say if it's dirty and you want to use it, say for another eyeshadow, and you want to clean it, and you're supposed to be able to use this. But I was just kind of wondering if it keeps your brush wet. I haven't tried the other one. So it comes with 2 of those. Ooh, and it comes with a makeup blender that is latex free. Sonia Kashuk latex blender. Got the nice swirly thing going on. It kind of reminds me of the Real Techniques. They had a diamond one. I did a video on that. That was one of my first videos that I did a long time ago. Theirs were gray, but this one is like really, really black. It had kind of the swirly thing going on. Let's see, I want to feel this sponge. Oh, this thing is really hard to open. So this is what the sponge looks like. And the bottom's totally flat. It's really it's pretty hard. I hope when I wet it, it'll get softer, but it's pretty hard. I saw this actually in the store a couple times, and I always thought about buying it, but I'm glad it's in this box. And this box, I believe, was $10. I believe it was $10. I'm not sure. I gotta go look that up. Yeah, it was $10. Okay, next thing is number 163 blush brush. Oh, it's pretty. It has a gold handle. Let's open it up. Got the safety thing on here. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Ooh, it almost feels like a dual fiber brush. It feels really, really good. And the sizing is really nice. Yeah, this is a nice brush. Try that out. Who doesn't like new brushes? I have so much brushes, but never have enough brushes. Next one is the angled eyeshadow brush number 224, and this is from the Professional collection. Okay, let's check this one. It's an eyeshadow brush, angled eyeshadow brush. It looks really big for an eyeshadow brush. Open this. Wow. There we go. It's pretty fluffy. I don't know, I think it's a little big for an eyeshadow brush. But any brushes that you can use for anything else. I've used eyeshadow brushes for contouring of the nose. I've used blush brushes just for powdering. You can just use anything. So I'm happy to have this brush. I don't think I'll use it for an eyeshadow brush, but I'll find something to use this with. And oh, it actually came with 3 of these. It's hiding under the paper. And the last thing, which I'm very happy about, is slanted tweezers. I am a tweezer fiend. When I do my eyebrows, when I tweeze my eyebrows, I go with a magnifying mirror and I tweeze every little strand that I can see on my eyebrow. Sometimes it's a little obsessive. I have to actually stop myself because it can be there for quite a while. But this is nice tweezers. It's really, it's gold. It's nice, it's slanted. The slanted ones are the best. The best tweezer that I've ever had, and that's the one that I always use, is my favorite tweezers, is the Tweezerman. If you want good tweezers, get the Tweezerman. They're super expensive, but they're worth it. And I believe when they get dull, you can actually send it away to Tweezerman and they'll sharpen it for you for free. I haven't done it yet, but that's what I've been told. I've had friends who've done it before. But Tweezerman are the best tweezer. But I'm gonna give this a try because it's so pretty. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna call this 5, even though there's 3 of them. Okay, yeah, this Sonia Kashuk stuff is really good. I'm happy about it. The brushes I like, just about this angled eyeshadow brush. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Maybe I might just give it to somebody. But yeah, this is a good deal for $10, especially you get this and the tweezer. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put links at the bottom where you can get your own Target Beauty box. Like I said before, if you want to get a Target Beauty box, usually around the end of the month for the next month is the best time to check on their website to see if they're available. They're not like the Walmart beauty boxes, which is a subscription where it automatically comes in. You have to actually go ahead and go on the website and order it. And these sell out really quick. So my advice is to check around, maybe around the 22nd, between the 22nd and the end of the month. I would check, if you really want the boxes, I would check every single day to see when the Target Beauty boxes are available. And actually this was the first time that I actually got a notification through my email that these boxes were available. I usually have to check at the end of the month to see if the boxes are available. So I was kind of happy about that. I was kind of surprised to actually get an email. I wish they would do it with all the beauty boxes to let me know that they're ready, that they're actually available. So yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!